In this video, we are going to learn about wage discrimination. So what is wage discrimination? Wage discrimination is when workers are paid different wages for same type of work. So how does this happen? Let's have a look at this diagram over here to work on it. Right, yeah. Market has a downward sloping demand curve for labor. So this is the market demand curve for labor, and put this down as a key. MDL equals market demand for labor, and the red curve is an upward sloping market supply of labor. So MSL equals market supply of labor, and where the MDL curve and the MSL curve intersects, we've got number of workers employed, and let's label this as L1. We have the market clearing wage and label this as W1. Now we know from our previous videos that this triangle over here is transfer earnings. The minimum amount at which the workers are willing to work, and this is economic rent. The wages that a worker will receive above the transfer earnings or the minimum amount they're willing to work for. Now, a firm's bill, if this was a diagram for a firm, and let's put this down as 0, and let's say the firm is employing 100 workers, and the market clearing wage is £8. So without any wage discrimination, if the firm paid everyone £8, the total wage bill would be £8 times 100 workers equal to £800. So without wage discrimination, when workers are paid market wages, the total wage bill would be 8 times 100 equals to £800. Now, to profit maximize, a firm will try and reduce the total wage bill by trying and paying each worker their transfer earnings, minimum wage, required to engage in labor markets. So what they do is, if you look over here, I've got the farms and we've got migrant workers who normally come and work in the farms because British workers don't like working in farms, and they are coming from economies or from countries where the wages are already suppressed or quite low. So when they come to UK, they're willing to work at lower wages. Similarly, what I've done over here is I've put this ethnicity. Certain ethnicity population or people from different ethnicities are also willing to pick up jobs at lower wages, and that is how firms can wage discriminate. If the firm is able to pay each worker only their transfer earnings or the minimum amount they need, they will then be doing their wage bill, their total wage bill, by half. They'll be cutting it by half base into height, and the base is 100, so half of it, that is 50, and height is 8, so 50 times 8 is 400. So they've reduced the bill by £400. The firm will reduce the total wage bill by on 400 if they are able to pay only transfer earnings due to wage discrimination, and the profits